Am I the only one that didn't know about yakitori? It's basically the ultimate street food experience. Yakitori means grilled chicken in Japanese. And it's a popular street food that's made by skewering bite-sized pieces of chicken and grilling them over charcoal. But it's not just about the chicken. You'll find veggies and other meats sizzling away too. Now let's talk about the yakitori chef. They're the unsung heroes of this delicious art form. With precision and skill, they grill each skewer to perfection, ensuring the right amount of smoky flavor and juiciness. Yakitori stalls are more than just food stands. They're communal spots where people gather, eat, and enjoy life. So next time you're craving something unique and tasty, remember Yakitori, Japan's skewer delight. Happy munching.